Hello everyone, welcome back to Intellect Insight. In today's video, we are going to see how to register a sole proprietorship in Canada. Today, we will see exact steps with official links to register a sole proprietorship anywhere in Canada in 2025. Without wasting further time, let's get started. Step 1. Choose your business name. First, decide what your business will be called. Second, use your own legal name or a unique name like XYZ Solutions. For example, sometimes if you're starting your own business and you are the only founder, then in that case, you can register your business with sole proprietorship. Here in Canada, if you are using your own legal name, then you don't need to register. But if you are using unique name, like as I've mentioned, then in that case we need to register that business. Using your full legal name usually does not require registration, right? As I've said, for other name you must register with your province or territory. Step 2. Check business name availability. Sometimes what happens, when you register your business, you go on Google and try to look at if someone has already registered that business in Canada or not. If it is the case, then in that case you cannot use that name again. So in order for us to make sure whatever we are registering as a sole proprietorship, the business name, whether it's available or not. So that's what mentioned here on slide. Before registering, check if your business name is available. Visit Nuance name search site for federal and some provincial checks. So here I've just mentioned a website for your reference. So don't worry. I'm also going to put all of these links in description so you can check it out from there as well. Step 3. Register your business name. Now you have decided that you don't want to use your own legal name. Then in that case you can register your business name with the appropriate government body based on your location. Federal, which is also known as all over Canada. So I put link for that, how you can register your sole proprietorship over there, right? Then Quebec, which is individual to specific province or state. Like that, I mentioned Ontario as well, and rest other provinces. I'm also going to put link for all of them in the description. So you can simply click on that and it's very easy to register your business name there. There are all the instructions already written. Simply follow that and you will be able to register your business as a sole proprietorship. Step 4. Register for GST HST. If your business makes over 30,000 annually, you must register for GST HST with the Canada Revenue Agency, which is the tax collecting agency here in Canada, CRA. Now, I've also given you guys a link for registering GST and HST, right? So all of these links will be there in description. Step 5. Get required permits and licenses. Some businesses require special permits or licenses depending on your business activity and locations. Sometimes in a hurry we forget that we need certain permits and licenses in order for us to operate our business efficiently, right? So this is very crucial as well. If you are doing business of something which requires certain permits from government or licenses, then you can check with your municipal government via BISPAL, where you can ask for certain permits and licenses which you required from government. Step 6. Open a business bank account. Once you registered your business, you need business bank account which will help you to maintain transactions and all other activities related to business. So this is what mentioned over here. Open a separate business bank account with your preferred Canadian bank. Typically required documents: business registration number and personal ID such as passport, driver's license and PR card if you have one. So that's it guys. Here I've mentioned bonus tips for you. First, keep accurate business records. Second, file your income taxes correctly. Third, consider consulting an accountant or business advisor. Thank you everyone for watching this video till the end. If you really get value from this video, then do let me know in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep hustling.